In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags in Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set your SEO title and meta description using Elementor together with the Yoast SEO plugin so your pages look great in search results. Start by signing into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over plugins and choose Add Plugin. At the top, use the search bar and type SEO, then press Enter. In the results, look for Yoast SEO. Click through to its details if you want to confirm it's the right one, then select Install and Activate. Give it a moment to set up. If you see a brief onboarding wizard, just follow the prompts. It's straightforward and helps apply sensible defaults. When it's done, you'll land on the Yoast dashboard and the plugin will be ready to use with Elementor. Next, open the page you want to optimize in the Elementor editor. Once the Elementor interface loads, look at the left panel for the Yoast SEO tab. Click it, then choose Search Appearance. This opens a pop-up where you'll control how your page appears in search results. In this pop-up, you'll see the SEO title field. It may already include variables such as the page title or site name. You can keep those, remove them, or type a custom title from scratch. If you'd like to reuse dynamic elements, click Insert Variable to see your options and build a title that updates automatically. Just below, you'll find the meta description field. Type a clear, human-friendly summary of the page's content. Aim for something concise and compelling that encourages clicks. As you type, look at the Google preview near the top. This shows how your title and description will appear on search, so you can quickly adjust wording or length. If anything looks truncated, tighten the text until it fits cleanly. When you're happy with the preview, click Return to your page at the bottom right to close the pop-up and go back to Elementor. To finish, make sure your changes are saved. In the top right of the Elementor editor, click Update if the page already exists, or Publish if it's new. This ensures your title and meta description are stored and will be used when search engines crawl the page. That's it. You've installed Yoast SEO, opened your page in Elementor, set the SEO title and meta description with a live preview, and saved your changes. Repeat these steps for other key pages so your entire site presents clear, consistent information in search results.